Automate your credit score to 750 plus. With these simple moves, what if your credit score could improve while you sleep? Not by luck, not by crossing your fingers, but by building systems that work for you automatically. Most people think credit scores are complicated, that you need perfection or some secret knowledge. But the truth is this: your score does not rise because you are perfect. It rises because you are predictable. Lenders do not reward perfection. They reward consistency, structure, and low-risk behavior. And here is the good part: consistency can be automated, risk can be controlled, and 750 plus is closer than you think. Today, you will learn 10 strategic, low-stress automation moves that build your payment history, lower your utilization, and strengthen your file with minimal daily effort. Let's break it down. 1. Automate on-time payments. Let's start with the biggest category, and that is payment history. This one piece alone determines 35% of your FICO score. It carries more influence than balances, age, inquiries, or anything else. Let that sink in. If you want 750 plus, you can't afford late payments. Just one late mark can drop your score 60 to 110 points. And the worst part? It stays visible for 7 years. Now imagine instead, never having to worry about due dates again, never having to set reminders, never having to explain yourself to lenders. This is why top-tier borrowers auto-pay everything. Every major bank offers it. Chase, Capital One, Discover, American Express, Citi. Tap a couple buttons, set it once, and you're protected for life. Now, most people think autopay means you lose control. Wrong. You can still pay manually early. You can still pay more. You just guarantee you never pay late. And here is the truth most people miss. Your score doesn't only improve because payments are made, it improves because payments are never missed. That upfront reliability tells a story to lenders. I don't forget. I don't fall behind. I manage my obligations like clockwork. I am safe to approve, and safe profiles get high scores. 2. Pay down revolving balances. Strategically, next comes the second biggest score category, credit utilization. Most people stop at 30%. What they don't know is this: people with 750 plus scores almost always stay under 10%. So let's translate this into real strategy. Pay the cards with the highest balances first, not the smallest, not your favorite, the one carrying the most weight. And then use a timing trick that premium borrowers rely on. Pay before your statement closes, then again before your due date. Because here's the difference maker. Bureaus record the closing date balance, not the due date balance. Meaning most people get buried by spending that never gets paid before reporting hits. But you now know when the snapshot is taken. Make 2 payments a month and your reported balance stays low, your utilization stays clean, and your score stays smooth month to month. This one habit often delivers a 20 to 70 point bump in a single cycle. Fast improvements always follow smart reporting timing. 3. Request credit line increases. Now let's reduce utilization without paying anything off. A credit line increase is the cheat code hidden in plain sight. And here's the best part. Most top issuers allow it without a hard inquiry. Capital One, Discover, American Express. That means you request more credit, and your score is never harmed by asking. If you've been paying on time, ask every 6 months. Because higher limit, same balance equals lower utilization automatically, and lower utilization means higher score next cycle. This move is often instant impact. It is one of the fastest shifts on your report, and lenders love applicants who qualify for expanding credit. 4. Use the 15/3 method. Here is another reporting timing trick that keeps balances invisible. The 15/3 strategy. You pay part of your balance 15 days before your due date, then the rest 3 days before. Again, this shifts the balance reported at closing date and prevents scoring dips from short-term spending. This method works especially well for people who use their card often but want CUR controlled in the background. It signals low-risk borrowing with high-volume activity. 5. Add utility history with Experian Boost. If your file is thin, this one adds depth. Experian Boost lets you attach payments like utility bills, phone payments, even select subscriptions. The key is this: it only adds positive marks, no negatives. A 13-point average bump is reported, and thin files often see even more. This profile depth move can help when lenders check Experian first for approvals. It makes you look more mature, more responsible, and more predictable. 6. Dispute errors. Now this matters more than people think. Millions of Americans have report errors, wrong balances, duplicate accounts, and false late payment marks. Under the FCRA, bureaus must investigate within 30 days. Fixing a major file error can move your score 20 to even 100 plus points depending on severity. Never accept inaccuracies quietly. Pull all 3 bureau reports once a year, audit line by line, and dispute anything wrong. Your corrected file becomes more lender-friendly automatically. 7. Become an authorized user. Here is one of the fastest ways to strengthen account age and utilization without waiting years. You become an authorized user on someone else's card. Their reliability becomes your reliability. Their age becomes your age. Their utilization becomes part of your file. This move is fast, but choose wisely. Long history, low utilization, no missed payments. Authorized accounts report faster sometimes within 30 to 60 days. 8. Never close. Old no-fee accounts. Another thing most beginners miss. Closing accounts hurts 2 things at once: total credit limit and average account age. Average age is 15% of your score. So keep old no-fee cards open, even if barely used. Micro-charge them every few months so banks don't close for inactivity. Age stacking stabilizes your report for years, and stability always equals higher approvals and higher scores. 9. Add a secured card if rebuilding. Starting from zero, secured cards give you a blank page. You deposit $200 to $500. Your limit matches it. Deposit is refundable. No risk. All 3 bureaus receive the reporting file. Use lightly, pay on time. Graduate to unsecured later. Fresh positive activity is generated monthly. 10. Add credit mix. With a Credit Builder loan, credit mix adds 10% to your score. Credit Builder loans are safe installment accounts. Major banks or credit unions hold the borrowed amount in savings, and you receive it back at the end. Installment payments update monthly. Revolving CUR stays low if timed correctly. Mix becomes file strengthener long-term. Final close. Here is the biggest truth most people don't realize. 750 plus credit is not about luck. It is about building systems. Systems that guarantee you never pay late, your balances stay low at reporting time, your file gets deeper every cycle, and lenders see you as predictable and safe. Now do this for yourself. Pick 1 or 2 strategies today, automate them, then scale the rest over months. You aren't chasing a score, you are engineering it. Live your life, let the systems run, and wake up to better credit. If this gave you value, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.